Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been away, but today we got a video of me doing my nails with some acrylic powder I got off Temu. I actually got a few more of my products off Temu as well, like this nail file. Would definitely recommend, if you are a nail tech for yourself and for family and friends as I am, that you definitely get some products off of this website because they have some pretty good products. So first you're going to see me just file the base of my nails. Then I'm going to put some cuticle softener on them and go ahead and soak each nail. And I always love to put another layer of the cuticle softener on there just to make sure it's even easier. Those cuticles end up sliding back like butter when you do it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and slide back all of my cuticles. And get to clipping them. Clipping my cuticles is actually one of my favorite things to do. I love a fresh manicure. I think it looks so good to have the clean cuticles and clean nails. It's just so pretty.
Your secret life. If you're done with me, then
I'm going to go ahead and do the other hand. And then here are my nail tips. I'm going to go ahead and size each nail to my fingers so that they can fit perfectly. Y'all forgive me for my angles. As you can see, I keep moving to different spots because I'm trying to get a good angle for you to see this. This is one of my first nail videos recording full out, and also my first nail video that I recorded with the camera. So it's just a little more difficult to find my right angle, but it's okay, y'all. We will get there. We'll go ahead and shorten all of these to the proper length. I would say I did these maybe a smallish medium. And again, I wanted that perfect square.
I never stepped out, I was solid. Don't let the lies fuck up our promise. Remember those nights when we was starving. Short deposits had me hotter than a rocket. You had my back, baby, no pop socket. You're the missing piece to my golden locket. Don't let the rumors infiltrate the way we rockin'. There ain't no stopping. I'm on a hot pursuit for your love. Got me on a hot pursuit for your love. Girl, you got me on a hot pursuit for your love. I'm on a hot pursuit for your love.
And then I'm going to go ahead and go through and buff all of my nails so that the nail tip will blend in with my natural nail.
See the world anywhere you wanna go. This is our life, babe, we must take control. Take the remote, this is our show. Counter the south, now we on season 4. Case you forgot, babe, I'm here to let you know.
I'm going to dust them off. And here is the finished product after I shaped the nail tips. Lighting was terrible.
Got me on a hot pursuit for your love. Girl, you got me on a hot pursuit for your love. I'm on a hot pursuit for your love, yeah. I know you're tired of feeling broke. Let's rob a bank and hit the coast. See the world anywhere you wanna go. This is our life, babe, we must take control.
So this is the powder I use. You guys probably actually saw this powder in my Temu haul because, again, that is where I got it. These are some of my other products that I got in other places: nail supplies, Amazon. I've gotten supplies from everywhere, and they are both Mia's Secret. One is a nail dehydrator and the other is the bonder for the acrylic. I'm gonna put those on there, let them sit and dry, which of course I did not show. But then I'm gonna go ahead and lay my acrylic. Honestly, I had a love-hate relationship with this acrylic. I loved it because it actually turned out very nice. I liked how I could go back throughout the drying process and still add some acrylic liquid and still mold it and move it to how I wanted it to be. But it also was a little runnier and it took longer to dry. However, I also do understand that the beads and the moisture within the beads that you lay on the nail do matter. So if anyone has any tips or tricks or any videos that they can recommend on how to get the perfect bead, I have watched a bunch of videos and it's never really clicked for me. So I just do it how I do it and they come out pretty good, but I'm sure that it does help in not only the process, but how well the nails last as well. I do love the process of laying acrylic though. I do think it is so fun. It's just very tedious and it requires a lot of attention, but I really enjoy it.
So girl, I'm on my way, just pick up for me. You know I will not play with you while they play with you. Why them pussy niggas play, they let her play. You deserve good vibes only. And we don't got no time for hate, so give it all, put it on me.
Now I'm going to go ahead and file and get all of my shapes together just to make sure that the final shape is perfect and square how I like it.
I know you wanna have a good time. I know you wanna get so high. I know you wanna touch the sky. I know just how to ease your mind. I don't wanna wait another second. Can't wait to get you out of the club. The Henny got you acting so reckless. I know you wanna make some drunk love. Don't worry, I got you, believe it. I won't stop until you achieve it. I know you wanna have a good time. I know you wanna get so high. I know you wanna touch the sky. I know just how to ease your mind. I know you wanna live your life.
All right, and here we go. Now you guys are going to see me use my nail drill and basically just drill down the top layer of the acrylic to make sure everything is even and perfect. Now this was the angle, okay? And I loved watching this part. I think it is so fun to watch. I don't know if maybe it's just because I'm a nail tech and I enjoy doing this part, but I loved watching and editing this part of the video the most. I love the angles. Maybe that's what it was, but just filing the nail is fun to look at. It's kind of like those little soap videos people used to watch.
Please don't ever say goodbye. Please don't ever say goodbye, baby. Even though sometimes we fight, we don't gotta say goodbye, baby. Please don't ever say goodbye. Yeah. Please don't ever say goodbye, baby. Even though I made you cry, we don't gotta say goodbye, baby. I'm waiting for you. I'm all alone.
Oh, and y'all definitely go check out the tunes that y'all hear in the background. I figured since I wouldn't be talking the whole time, we could have some nice music to listen to. Most of the songs are by the artist Temu, and they are all on streaming platforms. The one playing right now is No More Goodbyes by your girl, but you know I'm always repping Temu because that's my man, my man, my man, my man.
Do you still think about me, maybe?
But yeah, y'all go stream Temu, okay?
I know I did, but that's over. I love you still, boy, that's over. That's over, boy.
Why the fuck you gotta
And here we go, the final product after I went ahead and drilled them down. And I did buff them out as well, but I didn't get the chance to show that. Here I am cutting out each of the little nail tattoos that I have, and I'm placing them in water. And then this is what they look like once they separate. They're like the little sticky tattoos that you put on your arm, but they're also kind of like stickers because you can still pick it up and move it around. My rose milk gel polish, and I did my own French on the other nails just because I thought it looked better.
Potions in my cup, potions in my cup. I don't wanna fuss, I don't wanna fuss. I just wanna love. Tell me, girl, what happened to our fucking trust, girl? Threaten you to leave, but I'm forever stuck, girl. Potions in my cup, potions in my cup. I don't wanna fuss.
And then we're gonna do a second layer because I like my colors to be a little bolder. And here we go, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my top coat on. And then here's my little wipes with the case I also got off Temu. And here is the finished product. They turned out so cute. I did love them. Y'all go check out the products. Follow me on all social media. Go check out each of the songs. They are all on all streaming platforms. And thank you guys for watching. We will be posting another video soon. See you later. Bye.